Welcome to Holiday Shelter Channel. Today we're traveling to the Little Black Shack located in Great Mackerel Beach, New South Wales, Australia. This original timber and sandstone fisherman's cottage on the water's edge of beautiful Mackerel Beach in Pittwater has been lovingly restored into a secluded beach and bush hideaway and couples retreat. The Little Black Shack is just that, a shack, albeit a very cozy and comfortable one. Hand-built for our family and the environment, it's a place where one can feel the wind in your hair and the sand between your toes as you get in rhythm with the seasons, the weather, and the tides. A place where you can experience the simple pleasures in life, like full moons and sunrises, rainwater and sea breezes, hammocks and books, open fires and outdoor showers, beach combing and bushwalking, alfresco dining and breakfast in bed, and especially each other's company. No roads, no cars, and no shops. Surrounded by the bush, the sea and the sky, and overlook Great Mackerel Beach, Pittwater, Palm Beach, Broken Bay, and beyond. Thank you for visiting. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to hear about new videos. Stay tuned.